The original PS Mundoo was a 32-ton paddle steamer built in 1875 at Mundoo in South Australia, and it was wrecked at Swan Hill the following year. This boat, the PV Mundoo, was built in 1987 at GolGol, South Australia, and was brought to Mildura by the family company Mildura Paddlesteamers, who also operate the PS Rothbury, built in 1881, and the PS Melbourne, built in 1912, for river cruises and functions. The replica Mundoo was initially powered by the original steam engine and boiler from the PS Pyap, which operates out of Swan Hill and which I have covered in a previous video, but is now diesel powered.
Very good morning, folks. Welcome aboard the Mundoo for our cruise today. Just as we're moving away from the wharf, first thing I must do is just need to now day, warming up beautifully, and certainly a lovely day to be cruising. And it was used for carrying bales of water, usually towed by paddle steamers in the early years. That barge could carry it. One here at Mundura being number 11. So they were built from Blanchetown in South Australia, numbering upstream 50 or 60 kilometres apart. The Mundura bridge carries one of our Australian main arterial highways. I guess the best way to explain it here is the five area basin. And this is the case of the forest.
On our cruise today, we passed the Mildura Paddlesteamer's wharf and saw both the PS Rothbury and the PS Melbourne.
Australia, and that is quite prolific in the river system.